I would recommend teaching at Camp Invention to a friend or colleague because they make the process so easy.
The directions for each activity is laid out beautifully. It's very easy to follow and it's engaging. The campers love it and you will too.
They've thought of everything. You have your instructor manual, you have already created lesson plans.
Camp Invention can really help kids kind of find the joy in learning again, where that some of that might have fallen away with all the upheaval of this past school year.
I would encourage any staff member, even if you don't have a science background, the program itself is pretty much spelled out for you from day one. So even if you're a little bit nervous, you have a curriculum that guides you through day by day, class by class, and even sort of supplements by grade level.
Camp Invention was the best summer program I have ever been involved in. I can't say enough good things about it. I would rank them #1 on my list of businesses that I have worked with.
There are hands-on activities throughout the day, there's structure throughout the day, there's choice in the activities, and it makes for such a great week of learning. And that's why I would recommend doing it to a friend or colleague every summer.
I hope you come aboard and join us in Camp Invention as we continue to enrich the lives of our students through STEM activities throughout the summer.
As a Camp Invention director, I would like to encourage you, if you've been given the opportunity to become an instructor for Camp Invention, do it. Just do it. You won't regret it.